When I run my class, I run the method public static void main string square bracket arg. So I'll draw stack frame to keep track of the local variables in that method. And I wrote the method name main on the side. The first line says duck Daffy gets new duck. So the variable daff, it can hold a reference to a duck. The right-hand side says new duck. So I call the constructor and I create a new duck. And then that equals sign, that's my assignment. That says the variable Daffy gets a reference, or you can think of it like a remote control, to that new duck. So my ribbon here points to the new duck. The next line says duck Daisy gets Daffy. So duck is saying the type. Daisy is the variable name, so we have Daisy. And that's a variable that can hold a reference. And it gets the value of Daffy. So it gets a copy of what's in this variable. So it gets a copy of that reference, and so that points to exactly the same duck. So now Daffy and Daisy are referencing the same duck. Next we say if Daffy equal Daisy. So here we can see they are equal because they're literally pointing to the same object. So you can think of Daffy equal Daisy as true. So here's our little switch, and you can think of that as on. And if is saying if that's true, and it is, it's going to print out z, 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 z. So this one would print out z, 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 z. And we calculate this true value, but we're never going to store it in a variable in this program.